My name is Kellie Ann Chainier. I'm the vice chair of Asher 360. It is the nonprofit arm of ASPP. My why is about how to reduce the loss of life, especially to children. When I met my husband, he was a police officer, having a greater impact in reducing that loss of life. And even if it's just one child, it matters so much to us. When we look at recent active events, what it could have done if there had been drones in the area to stop some of the shootings. And so you think about how the technology and the people and the desire to change the landscape can do such impactful things.
51% of mass shootings happen at businesses, including retail. On average, it takes 8 minutes for first responders to arrive on scene. With Brecourt Solutions Indoor Drone as a first responder, we won't wait. We are first responders on the scene, tracking and distracting the threat so that innocent bystanders can get away. Our drones send real-time video feed and location data to first responders and security teams. Brecourt detects, tracks, and malfunctions weapons. Handguns, rifles, and shotguns are the weapons used most in active shooting events. Brecourt's drones can malfunction these weapons, buying time, saving lives. Seconds matter. We won't wait.